Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2014 Silverado 3/4 ton heavy Duramax, and this is a nice one. And I mean a nice one. White in color, of course you can see it's got chrome bumpers on it. Got aluminum wheels. I'll show you all the tires. I'll show you the wheels. It's in pretty nice shape, 2014. Got some step tubes on it. Clearance lights above, a little tonneau cover. Got a B&W hitch in it, probably a gooseneck. I'll open up the inside of the bed, I'll show you that. In fact, I know it's a gooseneck, I can see it from here. Rear bumper's in good shape. LT trim, so it's cloth seats. Power windows and power door locks. Z71 pack. So there's the right rear wheel. There's the right front. I'm going to show you this wheel. It's got a little bit of pitting, if you want to call it that. Tires are in pretty good shape all the way around. They're not new. I don't want to tell you that they are, but they're in pretty good condition on it. Body-wise, great shape. Doesn't smell like smoke or anything inside. Let me show you more about it. Okay, looking inside the bed, it's got a spray-in bed liner in it. There's the gooseneck. It looks like it's very recently put in. There's a hitch adapter. So you're going from a 2.5 inch down to a 2. This is a B&W. So the ball's removable. You can see that here. Like I said, it doesn't look like it's been very long. It's a turnover gooseneck ball. Looking inside the rear, cloth seats, of course, they're in great shape. Got a rear window defroster. Of course, power windows, power door locks. Factory brake controller. Got 70,800 miles on it. CD player, 4-wheel drive, of course. Got power adjustable pedals, backup sensors. Got a split bench seat in it, so you got 3 across the front, 3 across the back. This is a super nice truck. Call me on it. It's 309-275-7257. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.